We're recording now?
Yeah, I'm recording now.
Sure.
Alright, I got it.
Alright, everybody ready with the quiz?
Yeah.
Yes.
Do we have to have that random integer thing that they talked about in the...
Or the sampling distribution thing. I don't know about the random integer thing. I guess we'll find out once we get in here. Alright, so...
Did we ever figure out what happened last week with that one question?
Oh, yeah. I emailed him, and he said that it was wrong, and so he changed the... I don't know if he went back in and changed everybody's grids, but I told him that we all got it wrong. So I would just go back and check, and if he didn't change it, then just shoot him an email, and he'll change it.
Awesome.
Tyler, you're the MVP.
I do what I can, man.
What is this shit? Is right skewed.
Wait, we're on number 3, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, number 3.
So this is... not sure.
Wouldn't it be left
So-
skewed? Or normal? What?
I think it goes. So I didn't figure out till just now. Like when you go to that sample distribution thing, when you just do the normal thing, it goes. It's like always just a normal bell curve, but you can click with your mouse and you can change the distribution or the parent population, and so you can make it like right skewed or left skewed or whatever. But even still, like whenever you animate it, it still goes normal again. So I think the answer is normal,
Okay.
but I could be wrong.
I'm not sure on this one. I think it is. Let me double check.
Let me try it again. Yeah, it's normal.
Okay.
And if I'm wrong, then I'm sorry. But when I just did it on the thing, it was normal.
Okay. I believe you. And number 4 is also normal, right?
Yeah, I was going to say, because the larger the sample size gets, the closer it gets to normal, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're putting B for this too, normal?
Are you talking about 4?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So they'll both be normal?
I think so.
I think so as well.
Yeah, because the higher that number, the closer they get to being normal, right?
Yes.
The heck?
Isn't question 5?
It's also normal, I think.
It's all.
Same with 6. Okie dokie.
And we're going to get like 6 questions in a row wrong. All right. All right, so 7.
I need to screw in the back so we can tell.
Would it be A, B, and D?
Okay, so let's see.
Mm,
Okay, so I think I don't know, I might be wrong. Here's what the book says. If the parent population is almost normal, e.g. mound-shaped and nearly symmetrical, then a sample size of n equals 5 will probably be sufficient to assure that the sample mean will be approximately distributed, normally distributed. If the parent population is heavily skewed, then it will require a larger sample size to be assured that the sample mean will be normally distributed. For most moderately skewed distributions, a sample size of around 30 is traditionally thought to be sufficiently large to assure that the sample mean will be approximately normal skewed or normal distributed.
Okay.
Would be weird.
so it's always normal. It's weird.
So,
Unless it's a small
well, it's-
sample size and skewed.
yeah, so with some of the other ones, with a right skewed with n equals 5,
So it is A, B, and D then, yeah?
Yeah.
I think so, but I think we need to go back and change a couple answers. So if like n equals 5 is pretty small, and so if it's skewed right, it would probably still be skewed right.
So for like question 3,
Yeah. I mean, yeah. Yeah, I think it's probably skewed right for 3. And then 4, if it's right skewed, but with 100, it would be normal. And so
right?
5,
It's also normal
if
because
it's 5 would still be normal.
in 6 as well.
Yeah. So
So we just had 3 wrong.
I think it's just 3 wrong.
Okay.
And hopefully I'm right on that one. I don't know. That's just what it seems, because if it's right skewed, the sample size is small, it probably isn't going to be enough. It said if
That-
it's
that makes
close to
sense.
being normally distributed, then it's probably okay. But if it's right skewed, then I don't think it is.
So
So
then
what
for
is a
question,
small number? Would 5 be a small? Is that or 10? You know,
Yeah.
what's the
Yeah.
cutoff for a small number?
I think 5 is small. They said that 30 is probably okay for something that's kind of like moderately skewed.
Yeah.
But they may have to go higher if it's heavily skewed.
so on number 11 then, is it
11.
11 it would be just would be normal, right? Just because that's what we're talking about.
Let me see.
So n is greater than
Yeah,
30.
regardless of the distribution of the population, if the sample size is large, what would be the shape? Yeah, I think it would be normal.
Yeah.
So let's
Alright.
not forget 8.
Yeah, I just saw that and I was like, that's exactly what we're talking about.
So central limit theorem. Let's see. If the sample size is large, the sample mean will be approximately normally distributed.
So then D, right?
Yeah.
So hold on, let me see this. So the mean of the distribution of sample means is equal to that of the parent population. So the parent population so the mean of the so it's 10, I think is 9.
I'm getting that as well.
What did you get?
It's 10.
10.
So the mean of the distribution of sample means is equal to the mean of the parent population. So up here where it says the population mean is 10, then that means that that's the mean of the distribution of sample means.
Oh, really?
And I'm getting that from the answer key, like one of the very last questions.
Okay.
And so for this next one, it's going to be
1, isn't it?
So it's the standard deviation divided by the square root of n.
It would be
Yeah.
5.6.
So
Are you sure that's? Let's see.
hold on, let me see. It is. Oh, whoops, I did the wrong thing. Yeah, it's 1 because the square root of 36 is 6, and the standard deviation is 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1.
Yeah.
Way off.
What did you got? 0.5? How did you get that?
No, I put 5.6. Is that right? No, I did that completely wrong.
Yeah, so basically what you do is you get the standard deviation, which is 6, and you divide that by the square root of n. N is 36, square root of 36 is 6.
Yeah, makes more sense now.
Yeah. All right, so
And then 12 would be B.
Yes. Because that was earlier.
yeah, the sample size is large. That means it's going to be closer to normal distribution. So yeah, I think that's right. All right, I will submit and see how wrong I was.
100%. You got all of them right.
Did get all of them right. I'm glad we went back and changed number 3.
Yeah, I agree. That was a good catch.
All right, nice work, gentlemen.
What?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Why did I put D for 11?
Oh no.
What in the world? Oh my
What?
gosh. That's the dumbest thing. I was the one that said normal.
You might have accidentally clicked on the side of it and it changed it or something.
Oh,
Oh,
I hate that crap.
wow. You'll cry. Alright.
All right, well, nice work,
All right.
dudes. That was
Yeah.
fast. 15 minutes
quick.
and 100 on the quiz, and
yeah, I'll take that any day.
No, minus on the quiz.
sorry.
Alright, see you guys.
All right.
See you Thursday.
See ya.
Thanks, Tyler, for posting the
Thank you
link.
guys. Okay.
Yep.
Yep. No worries. We'll see you. Bye.